I want to do yoga.
I do too.
Let's do yoga together.
Oh yeah.
Coach Zach here.
And I'm Jen. I'm the yoga instructor here for Criticalbench.
She teaches the guys over here every week. How long have you been teaching for?
I've been teaching them for about 3 years, but all in all about 8-9 years teaching altogether.
It's a long time teaching yoga.
Oh yeah.
Today we're going to be showing you some beginner partner yoga stretches. So grab a buddy and let's get it. But before we do some yoga, let's talk about sliders and why you should get a pair right now. Check out that pinned comment down below to get a free pair of sliders along with my Slide Your Way to a Flat Stomach program to get shredded, get lean, get strong, just with these. Nice. So check that link down below.
Okay, cool. So guys, we're gonna start off here with our first partner stretch, and it's gonna be in an easy seat or seated crisscross applesauce pose here. We're gonna come back to back. If for some reason your partner can't sit up straight in easy seat, you can have them put a blanket rolled up towel under their tailbone. So Zach can sit up so we're good, okay? And then we're gonna get real strong so the tailbone lifting up through the crown of the head. And I'm gonna take a little back bend here and he's gonna forward fold. So we're gonna lift up real high, inhale. You can reach the arms up if you like, and then you start to reach forward, exhale as I inhale. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, he can reach up and grab my wrists and inhale, lengthen again, and then he can kind of start to pour forward again and kind of go deeper so I can experience that front body opener. And maybe a couple breaths, maybe 5 breaths here. You can go a little longer if it feels good for both of you. And then we'll come back up. So coming up, make sure you do both sides for these, but we'll go ahead. Zach, do you want me to do yours now? Should we do one for you?
Yeah, I might as well.
Okay, let's do it, right? He needs to do it too.
Deep breath in.
Yeah, we're gonna inhale.
On your exhale.
And go. And I'll reach up, grab his wrist, inhale again, and then coming down a little bit more for his back bend. Good. We'll come back up. Inhale, release it. And so you can go right from here into a twist. So with this one, I'm gonna reach over with my right hand. I'm gonna grab his left knee and he's gonna come over with opposite side here. We'll inhale, lengthen. Again, you wanna keep length as you twist and then exhale, go into your twist. Look over your shoulder. Opposite hand can go on your thigh to help push a little deeper into the twist. And you're pulling navel in towards spine as you twist too. Coming around to center, we can try both sides. Inhale, and he'll go for my right knee. Okay, exhale to twist. Oh yeah, I heard that spinal adjustment, yeah.
Who needs a chiropractor when you got partner yoga, right?
Good, come around to center. Okay, and so our next one is gonna be facing each other. So you're gonna sit again, it's a wide seated forward fold. And so we're gonna take our feet together. And if the partner has tight hamstrings, like right now I have my knees bent, he could do that too. And we can grab wrists, okay? I'm gonna start to straighten out.
So if you do have tight hamstrings, bend your knees and focus on bringing your chest towards the ground.
Yes, and we can even, kind of get a grip. Inhale, and he's gonna pull back as I come forward. I'm gonna keep my tailbone grounded. And exhale long and slow, maybe a few more breaths. Good, when you're ready, we'll come up and we'll do his. Inhale, and coming forward. Good, and he might even be able to start to straighten his legs a little bit to facilitate the stretch on his own. You'll see how you feel in that one. Kind of be aware of where your hammies are at during that time. Good. And we can come up. Good, and so this, should we show boat pose?
Yeah,
all right, this is a cool one. So this one's really fun, and again, you're going to grab hands. You can go from the inside with the bind. And so we're gonna do 1 foot at a time once we touch toes. We'll go 1 foot up.
See, for this one, just like a normal boat, you don't want to be too rounded into the back, so lift your heart.
Yes.
You can imagine you're lifting your hearts towards each other. There you go with the cue.
Yeah, and there's a lot of core with this too, so tight in the tummy. All right, so let's go this side first. Okay. Yep, to where you can. Your partner can have his knees bent if need be. Yep, and we're just gonna pull and push with the feet. Good. And then we can do the same thing to come back down. We can put one foot down and then the other. Good, and then release.
Yeah. So that one was a little bit tougher if you're just beginning. You know, maybe you have the knees bent. Remember, yoga is all about self-exploration. Take these suggestions, but make them your own.
Yes.
So yoga has so many benefits, but doing it with a partner, you might get even more out of it, right? You can sit here and do a seated twist all day, but if you have a partner to be able to anchor on and work through keeping your spine aligned and have something to pull, you might be able to get even deeper. Plus, it's a great way to break the ice on a first date.
Lots of bonding there.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and make sure you check out that pin comment down below to get those sliders and the program to get you fit with just this simple piece of equipment. It's that simple. Pin comment down below, like the video, subscribe. I'm Coach Zach, here with Jen, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.